I don't want to cut it off. I just kind of want to... Oh, no. Oh, no. All right, fine. I'll cut it off. I'll cut it off. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is the view where we do unboxing. So I have a new watch in studio. If you haven't done so already, please click the subscribe button and the like button, and then we'll get this unboxing started. So I've been looking to get this watch for the longest time. I got this on eBay because it is a discontinued watch. So we'll see exactly how it looks. I'm not sure how it's going to look. It's supposedly new, but just judging by the size of this box, I know it's not in the original packaging. So we're gonna see exactly what lies in store for us. But yeah, like I said, this is a watch that I've been looking to get for the longest time. It's a Citizen, an automatic. It's the Citizen, from the Citizen Signature Collection, the Grand Touring. So I'm excited to see. I don't think, let me just go ahead and get that out of the way. Here we go. So this is in the Citizen box. All right, so yeah, there's it, Grand Touring. Yeah, right here, the NB007057E. But I know this is not the traditional box it comes in, so I'm kind of confused why it's coming in this. But this is the Signature Collection. So here is all the... So I guess this is the original packaging. The ones I've seen come in like a blue box, like a big blue box. So nothing is filled out back there. Citizen stuff here. Better Watch starts now. Normal book. And here we go. This is the Grand Touring. Let me go ahead and get that in focus here. Wow. Take a look at that. Oh, I've been eyeing this watch for such a long time. So it does come with all the hang tags and everything here. I thought it was supposed to come in a different box, but I guess not. Check out that beauty. Oh, man. Yeah, this has been sitting in a warehouse for quite some time. I don't know what that is. Cocaine dust? Not sure. Man, this is nice. All right, let me go ahead and take everything off the packaging here. Nice little hang tag off to the side. Oh, God. Oh, no. How am I supposed to get this off? I'm going to have to cut this off. I don't want to cut this off. I don't want to. All right. Here we go. That is a nice bracelet. Oh, man. That is a nice bracelet. Wow. Ooh, that is really nice. That is really nice. Why do they do this? Why do they do it like this? I don't want to cut it off. I just kind of want to... Oh, no. Oh, no. All right, fine. I'll cut it off. I'll cut it off. All right, so here it is. The Citizen Grand Touring. This is nice, dude. This is very Panerai-esque. Just check out those indices, man. How they play with the light. This bracelet feels so good. They did a bang-up job with this bracelet. Let me go ahead and adjust the time here because it is about ready to turn over. There we go. Man, look at those handset. That handset is very nice. So this is a push-pull crown. As you can see, it has like this protector right here, very Panerai-esque, or Ploprof, excuse me. I kind of want to get an Omega Ploprof. That's one of my Grail watches. Speaking of Grail watches, I am wearing my Omega Seamaster Professional 300. This thing is killer. But man, check this out. This is nuts. In-house movement on the back there. I believe it's a Miyota 9015 maybe. I'll have to do some more research whenever I do the full review. But man, like I said, I've been looking for this watch for the longest time. I've seen Random Rob do a couple of videos on this, and when I saw it on his channel, I immediately went to eBay to go look for one, but they are sold out pretty much everywhere. Like I said, it is discontinued. So to find a new one, is practically impossible, but to find a used one in good condition, also very hard. So I'm lucky I saw this one pop up. But man, that is nice. Look at that. Citizen pretty much like disappears in certain light. Very nice dome. Yeah, check this out. 200 meters of water resistance, even with the push-pull crown, which is kind of nuts. I like the handset. I like the 12, 3, 6, and 9. Oh, man, it looks so good. Kind of like Explorer vibes with Panerai vibes. Yeah, definitely really cool. This bracelet with the brushing and then polishing back to brushing is really nice. I want to see what the measurement is. Where are my calipers at? Oh, here they are. Let me see what they are. So about at 23, 22.7 here. And it tapers probably down to 20 millimeters. Yeah. About to 20 millimeters at the base. So it's a big clasp. Double push button there. Fully milled out. That looks nice. Oh my God. Let me get this on the wrist. One other cool thing is that it has screwed links. So I'm excited to get this sized up and ready for my wrist here. So let me go ahead and take off the Omega. Put that off to the side here. Let's actually do a little comparison here side by side. Yeah, the Citizen is much bigger, much bolder, but very completely different. But check out that AR. The AR is nice. Man, this dial is so nice. God, I love the Omega dial. Here we go. I do have a 7.5-inch wrist. I got plenty of room here on the links. But man, check that out. Ooh, that looks good. Little wrist shot. Oh my God, I can't wait to get this sized up for my wrist. This looks absolutely gorgeous. I really love this watch. Oh my God. I'm so excited to actually have one. And in the collection, I was not expecting it at all. But yeah, you have to jump on the opportunities when you can, I guess. All right, so that's the video. Go ahead and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of this Citizen. Subscribe, hit the like button, follow the links in my description, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. All right, see you later.